Hello traders, welcome to Price Action Real Traders. Today I'm going to show you how to trade with candlestick analysis. Today is another new video on how to trade with candlestick analysis. So before we start, the risk warning: your capital might be at risk. Don't trade with money that you cannot afford to lose, and this video is not an investment advice. So here you can see evening star at this level. So I know definitely this evening star will work. So that's why I place my trade put option after rejection. So you see, and this is a continuation candle after evening star. I place put option. Yes, very good entry point. I place my trade put option. I know definitely this candle will close below my entry point, because this is the continuation candle after evening star. Very good evening star. You should not expect retracement at this level. So that's why I place my trade put option. I know this candle will be red candle. So anytime you see pattern, very good one, so you should expect at least 2 to 4 candle, 3 to 4 candles, strong 3 to 4 candles. So that's why I place my trade put option. So let's see. See, this is winning trade. So if I get higher entry point, I will place put option again here, bit higher. I just place put option because I told you you should expect 3 to 4 candles if you see good reversal pattern. Even though here is bias area, but the strongness of this candle will create another red candle. As you can see, if you draw the channel, this is the channel. So this candle, it may be weak, but it will most close below my entry point. That's why I place my trade put option. Even though market is doing some panic, I know it must create weak red candle at this level. So you see, this is another winning trade. So you can see I place 3 trades, quick trade. You see here, because I see the situation of the market is very nice, that's why I confidently took all my trades at this area. As you can see, the movement of the market is very nice today. You see market is moving like this, you see, like this. This is the way market is moving. So that's why you see, that's why I finish my trade at this whole area. First of all, the first trade, what you can observe here, what I saw here before I took my trade. First of all, you can see even star here, very nice one. This short, this close little bit below 20 MA, and I can see rejection from this level. So that's why I place my trade put option at this level, and you can see the movement of the market here. If you draw your channel, you can identify this is the channel, and you can see here after the channel have been created, this is the reversal pattern. You see 1, 2, 3 candles, but these are huge candles, so you cannot consider this type of candle. But here you see reversal pattern 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you get another reversal pattern, if you see another reversal pattern, you should expect 1, 2, 3, 4 candles, red candles. So that's why I finished my trade quickly at this level. So the first trade. And the second trade, here you can see the continuation trade. After I see rejection from this 20 MA, then I place my trade put option immediately. So I know definitely because of this evening star, market will go down. Then the last trade here, you see the market movement here. You can see, you see after I see this reversal pattern, this is the continuation candle, this is a strong candle. So I know definitely, even though here the reason why you see this candle is weak because of the buyers try to enter. That's why they make this candle weak, and you can see buyers entry after this candle. So I know even though this is the buyers area, I know definitely market will create weak candle. That's why I place my trade put option. So this is the end of this video. If you like this video, please like it, share and comment. If you have any suggestion, question, please drop it in the comment section. So I will say thank you, bye bye.